Hey, it's Kari, and today I'll be letting you know the top 20 tips and tricks to get rich in Schedule 1. Instead of bagging garbage one by one, dump it all in a closed space and use one bag to collect it. You can net around $100 per bag with this. Put money into your stash to automatically pay off their drop debts, reducing seller debt and the need to run around paying them off. If you're carrying items and a cop tries to stop you, run. Cops are slow and you can hide until your wanted level disappears. Save your game before leaving your property, especially with valuable items, so you can quit and reload if cops catch you or if you lose progress. Hire the botanist as soon as you unlock the warehouse. Assign her a bed, soil, seeds, 8 pots, and a shelf to maximize plant production. In the mid-game, store flour in jars of 5, as it saves space and allows you to give dealers larger quantities. When clients order amounts other than multiples of 5, use counteroffer to adjust the offer to a multiple of 5 and change the price accordingly. Instead of using dead drops, meet the dealer in person. That way you can buy in bulk and avoid racking up debt. The casino, especially the slots, is currently very profitable. You don't lose much money, and you can play multiple slots at once. If you're out of money but want a Coke bottle, you can hit Coke machines with the charge-up bat. Use this website, which will be in the description, to test drug mixes, find recipes, and see community-voted best recipes. Sneak up behind people and pickpocket them for cash and items. You can also sell to someone and then pickpocket them to get the product or money back. Combine the packaging station with a packager and assign them pickups for jars/bags and products to speed up packaging. As soon as you can, switch to selling crystal. This is highly addictive and sells for almost double the price. To move items through a checkpoint on foot, go through the first time with nothing, then go back through. They usually won't stop you the second time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!